Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing good. So guys, we are discussing about collection framework, right? So in last video already we have discussed about how we are going to add one collection data into another collection. For that we have seen, right? So we have two approach, right? So first approach is that with constructor, right? So just pass first collection data object into the other collection data constructor, right? And second approach, what we have seen in last video, with the help of add all method, right? So how we are going to use the add all method when if you need add one collection data into other collection data. The only difference is that, guy, so to add more than one collection, right? To add more than one collection into other collection, then we are going to use the add all method, right? If we have only one collection, then we are going to use the constructor approach, right? So guys, in this video or this video number 11, right? So already we have done video number 10, right? So this is the video number 11, right? So in this video we will discuss about differences. What differences, guys? Differences of some collection method. I will show you what method we are going to discuss here for the differences, right? So which is also very important, guys, for interview point of view. Okay, for the interview point of view, it's very important. Okay, so what all the methods are there in our collections and what all the differences. So I will explain one by one, okay? And in front of you also I will implement the application and run, and we will see the respective output, it's coming or not. So what all those different methods we have as of now, or what we are going to discuss in this video, so I will explain now. So just I will first write down all the differences of respective method. Okay, see guys, so that is video number 9, video number 11, video number which one, 11, right? And that is discussion about, guys, what difference between difference between difference between collection methods. Okay, difference between collection methods. I will explain one by one what difference we are going to discuss here. After seeing, you will come to know very easily. Yes, this is very important. So guys, see, definitely you heard this method earlier in your career or in your implementation. Okay, so guys, first method, that is, guys, 1 minute. First method, guys, you may heard what contains method, right? What is contains method, right? Contains, right? This is one method, and how we are going to use in our implementation. So such type of question they may ask by the interviewer. Okay, contains method, and what difference, guys? Contains all. Okay, so first what I'm going to explain, what is contains method and what is contains all. So what difference between contains and contains all? So what is contains all? This is all, this is also a method, right? So when we need to use this method, means what? When we need to use contain, and when we need to use the contains all, right? So that is two methods we'll discuss. Then get, second, what Second is guys, remove or remove all. What is remove method? And guys, secondly what? Remove all. Okay. Second, what we are going to discuss in this video. Guys, third is guys, already we have seen in last video, right? This thing already we have seen in last video. What guys? The method name is what? Add. And what? Add all. Right? Add all. We have seen. The guys who didn't watch last video, so please go through that video, then you jump this video guide, then you will come to know very easily. And guys, this one fourth, what? Remove all between what? Retains all. What? Remove all method and difference between what? Retains all. What? Retains all. Correct guys? See guys, so how many methods we are going to discuss here about differences? Already this our main motto for this video is what? Difference between collection methods, which is very important guys for interview point of view. Okay, in interview so many times such type of question may asked by the interviewer. Okay, may asked by the interviewer, so you don't confuse. So what is all respective method, what is the difference between that? Okay, what is contains method and what is contains all, then remove all, add all, remove all, and retains all. Okay, so guys, first I will explain theoretically. Okay, 1-2 line for each, then I will explain one by one. Okay, with practical, with in our IDE I will show you that output, how output is differentiate, okay, between respective method. So guys, see what I have mentioned. First method, contains method, right? So guys, see this method check only one object. This method generally we are going to use in the project or anywhere, right? So check only what? One object. So we can write for knowledge sake, right? So this method is used to check what? Only what? One object. Only guy, one object, not more than this. Okay, only one object. Correct? This is the thing we need to know about the contains method. But guys, what things we need to know about contains all? In contains all guys, so just I will explain. So this method, what? Contains all method. So same and copy paste, but some difference are there. So what? This method is used. Is used to check multiple objects, not only one object. It will check what? Multiple object. But contains method will check only one object. But this method is used to check multiple object. What? Multiple object. I will show you while implementing multiple object. Got it? So what is the main difference? Main difference is what? It will check, it is used to check only one object. Which one? Contains method. But contains all, this method is to check multiple object. That means we can say contains all will check the collection data. Also we can say what? It will check what? It will check collection data. What? Collection data. Right? It will check the collection data. Got it? It will check the collection data, but contains method didn't check the collection data. It will check only one data, means only one object. Got it? So guys, this is the first difference. So if anybody will ask what difference between contains and contains all, so directly you can say this method is used to check only one object, but contains all means what? This method is used to check multiple objects. It will check the collection data. Okay, so don't confuse anything apart of that. This is the main difference. Okay, now let's move the second method. What is remove or remove all? Remove or remove method and remove all method, right? Okay, so guys, see, same thing. So this method is used, just I'm copying this method, or you can write method. This method is used to check what? Check only what? One object. Not check, guy. You can see here, you can write here, you can understand here. This method is used to remove, right? Not check. Remove only one object. You know very well, so many candidates, right? So many nodes. So this method used to remove only one object. But what is the difference? Then remove all. So guys, same thing. So this method used to remove collection object, collection data. Okay, multiple object. This method is used what? We can see, right? What? This method is used to remove what? Collection data, right? Okay. This method used to remove the collection data. Once we are going to use the remove all method, right? Once you're going to use the remove all method, that time it will remove the collection data. But remove method used to remove only one object, only one data. I hope you remember, right? Good. Now guys, third thing. So third method already I have discussed last video, add or add all. Add method means this method used to add only one object, right? What? This method is used to what? Used to add only what? Only one object. Right? Only one object. But what is the add all? Same thing. This method is used to what? Add. This method is used to add what? Collection data, right? This method used to add what? Collection data. This thing already we have seen in last video. The guys who didn't watch last video, so you can go there and you can check. So already I have explained very well with real-time example as well, right? This is the add and add all, remove all and returns all. So see, if I will explain as of now, so you may confuse, but see, remove all means, guys, we are going to remove what? Collection data, right? We remove collection data. But retains all means, guys, once I'm going to use this real implementation or practical, then I will show you, okay, how these both are interlinked, remove all and retains all. So guys, that is our today agenda. So all the what? Three, because all these three methods I have mentioned here 4 differences. What differences? Contains all, remove all, add all, and remove all between retains all. But add and add all already I have explained. So remaining these three method differences I will show in front of you with the IDE. So guys, just let's move on our IDE. Okay. So guys, last video, this is the video number 6. What you can see in our IDE, right? This is last video. What already I have explained. So how we are going to add one collection data into other collection data with two approach. So approach number 1 first is what? Constructor approach. The guy who didn't watch last video, see that was, this is the our video number 10. Okay, so this is the first approach. With the help of constructor we are going to use, or we are going to what? Implement add one collection data into other collection data. Only we are going to pass our first collection data into the what? Constructor of other collection, right? This one I am going to pass A1, right? And second approach guy, with the add all method, right? Through add all method. See, if I am going to explain the real time example, see, if you have different type of what? Mode of payment. If you're going to pay with debit card, credit card, NEFT pay, IMPS pay, UPI pay. So these all are the different types of what? Mode of payment. And if you need all the mode of payment will combine one places, then we are going to use add all method. So we are just creating one other collection, right? In that collection we are going to add all of the respective mode of payment, and we are going to able to see the result in a single collection, right? That thing already I have discussed in last video. So guys, now I am going to discuss all the differences, right? So that purpose, just I am going to get one new class. And guys, also I would like to tell you first here. So I will use frequently what already I hope you remember. So earlier video I have created what two classes, right? So a student class or employee class. So in this video I am frequently use the employee class. Okay, so what already I have created. So guys, first I will create one class where we can implement these differences. So guys, so collection methods difference example 7. Okay, collection method difference example 7. Just click main method, finish. So we got one by default created method, right? Okay, so first remove this thing which is not needed for us, right? So guys, see, till now you know very well it, so no need to explain anything. So already I have created one class, that is the name of the class is collection method difference example 7. Because what we are going to discuss here, so we need to see how we are going to differentiate contains and contains all, remove all, and what? Remove all and what? Retains all, correct? So guys, see, so I will create first imply object. Already I have told you, so in last video we have discussed what? We have created imply a student class. So already we have the employee. So guys, first we can create imply object. So emp e1 equals to new emp, that is the int id and a string name we have, right? So 100, suppose, so our employee id is 100, employee name is suppose what? John, right? This is our first object, right? Then second object I am going to create emp e2 equals to what? New emp is suppose 101 and their name is Goldie. Okay, Goldie, that is the second employee, correct? Or just copy that. That is the third employee object, and that is the fourth employee object. Name should be different. That is, sorry, that is 2, and that is 3 is the ID, and that's and that is Shuman. Okay, see guys, so these all are the what, for employee we have created now. Okay, first point you have created, you have got it. So what I have done here, so I have created for employee object, correct? I have created for employee object, correct? After that guys, just I am creating one array list. Okay, I am creating array list. In that we are going to add this list of employee. Okay, so array list, we can use generics, right? So emp and a1 equals to what, new array list, and the generic is the emp, right? Done. Okay, so I have created what, employee array list, right? And in that we are going to add employee. So a1 dot add, we know very well, right? So I'm going to add two employee object e1, okay, and a1 dot add, I'm going to add e2 employee as well. So e2, so we have added two employee objects in the array list, correct guys? As of now, I hope you don't have any confusion, right? Correct, I expect that it should not be, right? Okay, so guys, now I will create some other other array list. Just copy that. So that array list, suppose it's a2, okay, and we are going to add other two objects e3 and e4. We can add in this array list. So a2 dot add, and then we have the e3 object, and we have got a2 dot add of what, e4. Okay, so this I have created two array list and I have added both the object. So imply e1 e2 I have added in the array list 1, and imply e3 object and e4 object I have added in the array list 2. Correct? Till now I hope you don't have any confusion, right? I didn't do anything, only I just added the employee object in respective array list, right? Okay, so guys, see, now suppose our requirement is add one collection data into other collection. Just suppose our requirement is add one collection data into other collection data. What we can do, guys? So we have two approaches, right? We know very well. We have two approaches. So passing. So first approach what? So passing one collection data into another collection using constructor. So suppose this a1 we can pass here like that. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. And second approach what? We can use what? We can use the add roll method, right? We can use the add roll method, right? So suppose, see, if I'm going to use here add all method, so a2 dot add all, see there na, add all method add all, and what data I'm going to use here, a1, right? So I'm going to use a1, right? a1, correct? In this way also we can use, correct? I hope you got it, right? Yes. So guys, see, then how we are going to print? Then how we are going to print this object? So just simply we can take one for loop, right? We can take one for loop, and for loop. So after the colon where we have the object. In A2 we have the object, right? Where we can do iterate that emp, and both, and A2 also contain the employee object, right? So that's why what emp e you can take, right? And you can iterate, right? Yes or no? So guys, what we can do, sysout directly we can print it. So what e dot eid, yes or no, right? And what e dot ename, correct? Yes, it's done. Simply what I've taken, what HTML for loop, and iterate the A2 object, because in A2 we have all the A1 data as well, right? Now we can run the application. We'll see the output first. What the output is coming. See guys, so 100, 1 minute. See guys, 100, what data is there? E1 John, 101 Goldie, 102 Varsa, 103 what Shuman. So all the data we have, right? As per expectation, we have added one collection data into other collection data with add all. So guys, the who didn't watch last video, please concentrate here. So I have used a add and add all. Add all means we are going to use the collection data. Add all method, I'm going to use here collection data. A1 is the collection data, right? But add, we are going to use the one object only. E1 A1. See difference between guys. So E1 is the only one object. E1 is the only one object, but I'm going to use A2 dot add all A1. I'm going to use the collection data, not the object data. I hope you understood, right? So guys, this is the first expectation, how we are going to add one collection data to other collection data with the what add all method, right? We have seen this response as well, right? So guys, see, now we'll see difference. Now we'll see the difference. Okay, now we'll see the difference between contains and contains all, what I have discussed in initial, right? Contains and contains all. So guys, please be focused. Now our main what party started. Okay, so guys, see what I am going to do here. See, so if I am going to use here sysout, guys, see A2 dot contains, see there na, contains, okay, we have the object guy E1. What I'm writing here, A2 dot contains E1 or not. So A1, so A2 we have this list of collection data A2. So A2 collection data contains E1 or not? Obviously it contains E1, guys. How? Because already I have what done here, A2 dot add all. In A1 collection data we have the E1 object, right? Means it is true, guys. So A2 contains E1 object or not? Already I have told you. So contains method are going to use the only one object, not the collection data. That's why I'm going to use the E1. E1 is only one object, correct? Okay. Now guys, I'm going to write sysout what A2 dot what contains all. There na contains all. 1 minute guys, before writing this I will show you one thing also, then you will come to know very easy. See guys, A2 dot contains all. What aspect? Collection data, guys. It contains only object data. See guys, difference. This type of difference you can't see anywhere. Okay, so if you will concentrate the respective video what I'm going to explain here, then your what understanding power will be more visualized. Okay, so please be concentrated what I've explained, same thing happening or not. So contains, I'm going to use only checking the one object, but contains all, if you're going to use, that means it is used to maintain the collection object. Yes or no? Yes, absolutely yes sir. Okay, so contains means what, we need to give the collection data. So A2 dot contains all what, A1. So what I am going to tell here, I am going to ask to contains all method A2 dot contains all A1. Yes or no? So it is also true. You can see here A2 dot add all A1 means all the A1 collection data we have into the A2 collection. Yes or no? That means it's also true. And already you have seen guys. So this contains and contains all, return type is a boolean. Return type is a boolean. It return the boolean result. Means what? Boolean means true or false. It may be true, it may be false. It depends upon your what? Data. It depends upon your data, right? So guys, just I will run the application in front of you and you can see the result. It's coming expected or not, right? See, as of now our expectation will be only true only, right? Yes, no, expectation is what? True only, right? Because already I've told you, say A2 dot contains E1, obviously A2 is containing A1 data, A1 containing all E1 and E2 data. Definitely this condition is true. Second condition, A2 dot contains all A1. Yes, obviously A2 collection data containing the all A1 data, A1 collection data. That's why also this condition is true. So in front of you I will run the application and you will see the result. It's coming expected or not. See guys, what I have told you, true, coming yes or no? See guys, what I have told initially, starting of the video, what I have told you. So I will show the difference. What is the difference between contains and contains all? In the interview time, so many candidates may confused what I need to give the answer to the respective interviewer. Okay, so don't confuse, just see this video. Okay, just analyze and do practice as well. If you will do the practice as well, then your confidence level will be more high. Then you will explain to interview very well. Correct guys? I hope you understood. Okay, so now I am going to move other topic. Other topic means what? Other part. So that guys, contains and contains all is done, right? Now we'll see the what? We'll see the what? Remove, right? Now we'll see the remove method. What is the remove method? Correct? Okay. So let's see. If you're going to use A2 dot first I will A2 dot remove there na, there obviously it will there. Okay, see guys, we have so many overloaded methods are there for remove. 2-1, right? So remove in index and remove object. So we are going to use object level, right? Not the index level. So I'm going to use object level. And already I've told you, remove method is used to remove only one object, right? Remove all method is used to remove the collection data, collection object. Already I've explained initially, right? One more time I will show you this thing, don't confuse. A2 dot see guys, remove, see guys, remove means object data, right? Remove all means collection data. if you are going to use the remove all method in your implementation, that means you should know, that means you are going to use the collection data, not the object data. If you are going to use the object data, that means you need to forcefully use what? Remove method, right? Right? So I'm going to use the object data, right? So remove, right? Then what the object you're going to remove? Suppose I want to remove the E1 object. I can give it E1, right? Correct? Yes or no? Correct, guys? Yes. After that, I'm going to print sys out. See guys, now what I'm going to do? A2 dot contains what guy? E1, right? Now sys out A2 dot contains all. Now I'm going to do collection data, right? Contains all. What? A1. So guys, tell me here what I've done here. So I have removed E1, right, from A2. So that means as of now A2 has generated E1 data, right? Yes, that is false, right? That is false. And what I'm going to check? A2 contains all A1. So in A1, E1 already removed. That means not contains all. Then it means not containing all the A1 data. Yes or no? If I'm going to remove E1 object from the A2, that means A2 doesn't contain all the A1 data. So that means both the condition will be guys false, right? Both the condition will be guys false only, right? False only, correct? Yes. So in front of you, I will run the application, will show the result. It expected or not. See guys, false. Yes or no? False. I hope you understood with this example, right? Correct? With example, come to know, correct? Okay guys. So guys, see now what the things are remaining now. Now we'll check the remove all. Okay, come here. So guys, see, if I'm going to use here A2 dot remove all. See guys, remove all, right? And I'm going to pass here A1. What? I'm going to pass here A1. So already I mentioned here, if you're going to remove all means we need to pass the collection data. So A1 is the collection data. So that means whatever the E1, E2 we have in the A1, so all will be removed. Yes or no? Already I've told you, right? So if you're going to use the remove all, that means it will use the collection data. Correct guys? Yes or no? So now we'll run the application, we'll see the result. What data remaining now we have? See guys, so E1, E2 we have or no? We don't have. Tell me. So even John and Goldie we have? No, right? Once again I will show you. See, we have only 102, 103. The Versa and Suman we have only. That is first one, 100, 101 is John and Goldie has completely removed. Yes or no? Completely removed. Correct? Okay guys. Now guys, just I will comment this. Okay, I will comment this and come here. I am going to use the what? So already we have what explain what contains all, remove all. Now I am going to explain what already you know, remove method and remove all, both the method already I have explained. Now guys, next method is what retains all. What is retains all? Retains all method is also very important. So many times in they may ask difference between remove all and retains all. It's tricky guys, just concentrate here. So guys, a2 dot retains there, retains all there na. So guys, retains all always expect collection data. See there na, always collection data only, retains all. I am going to use the a1. Okay, so might be you have confused what is retains all first, right? I will show you the example, don't worry. See guys, so first I will show you what it retains all. Okay, retains all means guys, see I will explain first. See a2 dot remove a1, right? First I will run the application. Okay, then you confuse it. Okay, see first I will tell you retains all means guys, you know, so a1 will be there, a1 will be there. So a1 what the data is there, it will as it is, it will remove a2, it will remove a2, it will remove a2 guys. So suppose here you understand in that way. Suppose a2 dot remove all a1. So what it will do, it will remove a1 data, it will remove a1 data except a2, right? It will remove a1 data except a2. But in this case guys, it will remove a2 data except what a1. So guys, that is the main difference. That is the main difference if you are going to use remove all and what and retains all. If you are going to use the remove all and retains all, that is the main difference. Correct? That is knowledge sake guy, what I have told you here. Okay, see, comment this one. Now run the application. What? So a1 data remove or not? A1 data remove or not? So a1 was e1 e2 remove, correct? And guys, suppose if you will comment this one, then you will more understood. Okay, okay. Here as of now only this data, right? right? Now you comment this one and uncomment this one. See guys, you got it or not? What I have told you. So this is what retains always what remove A2 data. So A2 we have what E3 and E4. Just I will scroll up. Yeah, then I will run the application. You will come to know very easily, guys. See guys, so A2 dot retains all. A2 dot retains all A1 means what I have told you. It will remove A2 data, right? A2 means what? E3 E4. E3 E4 means what? Varsha and Suman. So E3 E4 removed or not? Because E3 E4 belongs to A2 data, right? Yes or no? E3 and E2 belongs to what? A2 data. So it is completely or not? It will remove A2 data except A1. So A1 is what? John and Goldie. It will not remove, right? So it will accept A1, remove all the data. Suppose if you have 10 collection, if you are going to pass only one collection, that means it expect only one collection, remove entire collection. Got it? But remove all means what? Just reverse. It will remove A1 data. It will remove, just I will explain one more time. Just uncomment this one and run the application. You can see just reverse result. See guys, so as of now what I have told you, it will remove what? A1 data. A1 means this one. What? E1, E2 object, right? Remove or not? Only it will coming what? Varsha and Suman. That means it is the A2 collection, right? So guys, that is the difference between what? Remove all and retains all. So guys, this type of explanation you can't find anywhere. If you will see the video guys, definitely you can understood each and everything very clearly guys. I hope you understood, right? I hope you understood guys very well. So all the things I have explained very well guys in front of you, right? So what I have told you, I will explain in this video. Contains all, I will explain. Remove all, also explain. Add all, also I have explained in this video as well. Remove all and retains all. So guys, these are all the four what respective methods and their difference I have shown in this entire video. Okay, if you concentrate, watch the video from initial to last, definitely I hope you don't have any confusion. Okay, and if you'll do the practice, then you will get more confident. Okay, while giving the interview or while implementing any concept as per requirement in your project level. Okay, so you should not any confusion, right? When we need to use the contains, when you need to use the contains all, when you need to use the remove, when you need to use the remove all, when you need to use the remove all, when you need to use the retains all. Okay, really guys, I am telling you, so many candidates are too much confused. I'm also taking so many interviews, right? When I'm asking what remove all and retains all difference, so many candidates are giving answer remove all, but retains all, they may confuse. Is not able to give the proper answer. That's why I thought such type of video I will bring in front of you, so you guys more benefited. Yes guys. So guys, that's it all about this video. So guys, I would suggest what I have discussed here and what I have done the implementation, please do your end as well. Okay, yes or no? It will make sense guys, right? So thanks guys for watching this video. So if you like this video, then click like button and what subscribe button and share among your friend. Okay, and do practice more guys. Okay, which will boost your confidence. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next video very soon.